Hey CloudApp users, now we're going to talk about keeping those drops secure. So sometimes we capture information that we don't want just anybody to be able to see. We want to be able to set permissions on it. To do that, you can just go down here and click the lock icon on your drop. So from here you'll have a few different options. So first off, you can change who can access the link. Automatically, anybody with the link can access it, but you can change it so that anybody with the link can view it in your organization. So you have to be on the same team as them. Or as long as they give you their email address, so before they view the link, a box for their email address will pop up. That email address will then be shared with you after they view it. Or anybody with the link and a password, so you set the password here, somebody has to enter the password in to be able to see the drop. Or only specific people, they have to be logged into CloudApp to do this, but so you can do only specific people at your team or anywhere, just as long as the emails are the same. Next, you can set the link to expire. So this is the reason that CloudApp has been called the Snapchat for business. So automatically links never expire, but you can select it to expire in an hour, a day, a week, or after 1 view or 10 views, or if you'd like to do anywhere in between or longer than that, you can change it in the advanced settings. So you can select hours, days, weeks, months, or however many number of views that you would like to select it. So that's one way that you can change the permissions on your drops. Another way you can do it is from the viewer. When you view a drop, you'll see this shield icon here. You can click there, and that will give you the exact same options as before. Finally, I'd like to highlight one other way to protect sensitive information. It's actually in the annotations. So when you take an annotation, there are a lot of different tools here, but my favorite for protecting sensitive information is the pixelate. So if you would like to blur out any sensitive information, you can do that with the blur tool here and make sure that people aren't able to read the specific parts of your screenshots. So now, armed with permissions, expiration settings, and the blur tool, you're all set to make sure your drops and information are secure. Thanks.